Hey guys, I'm gonna show you one of our newest Salems that we've gotten in our travel trailers. It's a Salem, it's a 2025. Absolutely beautiful. I love their new look on the outside and the inside, and I think you will too. And this one is huge. It's got so much space, so I'm excited to show you. So if you have any questions, want anything, just give me a call, text, or email. But let's start from the outside. Alright guys, we got the Forest River Salem. It's a 2025 model 36 VBDS. We have two slides on this side, one of them being super long. We've got a nice long awning, and this one does have two doors. It also has speakers on the bottom, and it is your on-demand water tank, you know, the tankless water heater. But I love that it has a sliding door. Absolutely love that. Now, this unit is, you know, heated, has that heated and enclosed underbelly. But take a look. I mean, it looks like a house. It's so big. All right, so I don't even know where to start, but we'll start here in the kitchen and go down. So right here we have our, which it can be a dinette or it can just be, you know, you can use stools, but this actually moves from side to side. So maybe you have the stools on this side, which there they are. Maybe you have it in the middle, stools on that side, and you move this, turn it around and put it on this side, and you have a dinette. So there's different areas. Yeah, I mean, you can do all kinds of things. Maybe you want to use it as a desk. The options are endless on here. I really, really love the idea and when they put that together. Now here is a couch, and I absolutely love this material. Is super, super soft. Now it's cushiony, but it's easy to clean, super easy to clean. And I love the beautiful windows behind it, which I'm gonna pull this one open because I'm gonna show you. Love the natural light, but beautiful windows behind it. And then you do have storage underneath as well. And somebody actually, they just bought one of these layouts, and they have an animal, but the animal does have its own little cage, which fits perfectly in there is what they said. So it does have a lot of space and opportunity in here. On this side, we've got our kitchen. Now we've got, I believe this, yep, this is your trash can. And you do have some more storage underneath as well. And over here, you got some drawers. I love that, love it. You've got a nice big sink, beautiful window right here next to your sliding glass door. You got a 3-burner, your oven, and your microwave hidden. Love it. I love this little, it's so unique. You got a huge fridge, so a nice big residential fridge right there. So you got plenty of space here to put all your goods. I mean, it is giant. Over here you do have a pantry as well, which is always needed. We love the more storage, the better. And then on the other side, you've got actually another area for a pantry, which is right behind here. So just more and more, plus easy access for any wires, because this is where you will also put your entertainment, and you got your fireplace as well. Right through here you do have I love the archway, and then you do have a barn style door that closes. But this big room is the bunkhouse. Now you have this option for a big bed, but you can also lift it up and it can be a couch as well. Plus you have this bunk right here. This goes down and it can be a bunk that goes this way as well. But that, I believe, is chalkboard. So you can actually, the kiddos can write on there, which is really fun. And then you do have some storage area right down here. But you do have area, like if You do have area right here, but you pick this up and you have even more area for the kiddos to play on, which is great. Now, right down here through this area, we've got our bathroom. So it is nice and big. I mean, plenty of area right in here. I love that they use the whole from side to side area to put this bathroom. So it's a nice big shower. You do have storage area in here, which goes really far down, same as this. And then you do have some storage area behind the toilet as well. And then you got your master bedroom, which this is where the other door is. Let me get some natural light in here. So this is your VersaLift bed. So with a, push a button and it goes flat. So however you want to do it, you do got little side tables on each side, little windows on each side. You also have your closet, which is so nice to have a closet. It really is. You can put your TV up here, and then you do have more area for drawers or whatever you might use this for. So this, I think that they did such a great job, such a nice size unit. So if you're looking for a bunkhouse that can, take the whole family, this is definitely one to look at. In fact, if you're looking to live in one, this has so much space, and it's absolutely stunning. So let me know if you want any information or if you would like to come see it. Call, text, or email. But until next time.